Hey, what's up everybody? It's Dr. Antonio here with Dr. Tim. He's going to be helping me out with an exercise that's actually going to help activate the glutes, which helps a whole lot with hip activation as well. The biggest thing that I see, and we see all the time as chiropractors, we see a lot of patients with low back pain, and what that's really coming from is actually a muscle imbalance, which is actually caused from the glutes not firing the way that it needs to. So this exercise is really going to focus on that area to help strengthen that low back as well. So I'm going to have Dr. Tim over here. He's going to use, all you need is a broomstick, some type of stick, or a PVC pipe. He's going to place this on the back of his back here, and I'm going to have him turn and face face away from the camera so you can kind of see how he's holding it, right? So it doesn't matter which arm you're using, but make sure that your hand, the bottom hand, is against your pelvis here, about right at your tailbone. And the top of the pole, the top of your hand is against your head, and you want to make sure that stays against your head. And then the middle of the broomstick is right between your shoulder blades, so it's against your spine here, okay? So he's gonna get set up. You can use like a home slider that you would use to like move a couch, but we're using a piece of card actually. So the foot that is gonna stay still is gonna be the one that's not on the post card. This leg right here is going to be bent at a 90 degrees while the other leg on the opposite side is actually going to straighten out. So he's going to get into a position. He's going to go nice and slow here. He's going to extend that back leg, and then he's going to come right back up by blasting off his leg that is staying still on the ground, right? So when he goes out, he's going to shoot up using this left glute, and that's the glute that he's actually activating as he does it, right? And you can see how his back is nice and straight as he's doing it as well. And he's doing a hip hinge as well here. Biggest common mistake, you can relax right there for me, boss. The biggest common mistake that you'll see with that exercise actually is that most of the time when they do that, they'll actually start perking up. And so that's why we use that dowel or that stick, PVC pipe, whatever it is, to make sure that your back is flush against that stick there. But the biggest thing with that is making sure that you're activating the glutes. And that's one of the common things that I see a lot, and what we see a lot that is lacking on most patients. So if you know someone out there who's dealing with some type of low back pain, not only will exercises help relieve some of that pain, but the biggest thing is going to take advantage of our special offer and what we do here. And we'll do a full consultation. We'll do some orthopedic and some neurological tests, but we'll also shoot some x-rays, all for just a $39 donation to our local charity of the month to make sure we get your questions answered. So come on in, and we hope to see you soon.